This one.
What is that?
A Batman.
Batman what?
A Batman figure.
Whoa! Batman.
Wow!
It's so windy today.
Yeah, it's windy weather.
A few moments later.
Yes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Okay. Let's get it. Now let's get it out. Oh, there's a Batman here. Who's that?
Batman the animated series.
Okay, put it here. Move on. Is that? I like that. I like that.
Batman.
The Batman from the classic TV series.
Yes. Another Batman.
Whoa. Wow.
Another
Like
Batman.
143 or one. Wow, another Batman, huh?
Another Batman.
Another Batman.
Yes.
And who's that?
Okay. 3 minutes later.
Later. This is Harley Quinn.
Yes.
That's Harley Quinn and
Robin.
Robin. All the black and white series. And we have your Batwing. Are they ready for their Batwing? Where's the Batwing?
Okay.
The other
here.
one. Dun, dun.
And wait.
And the other one. Okay,
And wait.
let's get ready to action. And what is that?
A new Batman.
Ooh, new Batman on his Batwing. Okay, guys, can I see the backs again? This is all for now. All Batmans from that DC Collectibles mini figure. Okay, wait, just put it there. One more look. No, not that. Oh, that's Harley Quinn.
The Batman is
And there's another one. And this Robin.
Robin Hood.
Not Robin Hood. Okay, this is the Batman figure in miniature. Thank you, Eli.
Thank you for view. Thank you for watching.
Did you say anything?
Thank you for watching. And bye bye.
Bye bye. Until next time.
Until next time.
Oh, we forgot this one. Why are you sleeping, Mr. Batman? You're supposed to work. This is about you. This is not about us. Okay.
But who's that?
Oh, that's the pilot of the battery.
Oh. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.